Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you on how to make your Windows 11 PC run faster. Very easy tutorial. So let's see. Right, so the very first thing you want to do is to simply come down below right here. Make sure you click on your start bar. And having clicked on your start bar, you take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply navigate to the settings icon. So click on settings right here. It's going to take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to simply navigate to apps. It's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply navigate to startup. It's going to take you right here. Now at the top right here, you can see startup apps. Apps can be configured to start when you log in. In most cases, apps will start minimize or may only start a background task. This simply means that each time you turn on your Windows PC, it means that some of these apps here are running with the startup button. And with that, it's going to make your PC running slow, as the case may be. So in this regard, what you need to do here is to make sure you turn off all the apps that you don't want to be on when you on your PC. So right here, what you need to do, I'm going to come for the first try right here. I'm going to turn off this. I don't want this to be run as at the time of turn on my PC. Microsoft Edge, I'm going to turn it off. OneDrive, I don't need that. Then I'll simply scroll down right here. I'll make sure I turn this off also. And by turning all these buttons off right here, I'm going to leave the security notification icon. So by turning off all these buttons, so each time you want to restart your Windows PC, everything runs very faster. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how you can simply make your Windows 11 laptop run faster without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. Find this video useful. Give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial about how best to use your Windows laptop. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.